up, YouTube? Doing some work at the shop. Me and John Meyer with his big old head back there. This is the tower climber. We're rebuilding our generator. Everybody knows we have been having some power issues. Well, screwed up the generator, so I'm disconnecting all this stuff, and we're gonna pull it out, and we're gonna fix it, and we're gonna put it back. A little bit of hindsight, I already started disconnecting a bunch of stuff and figured, oh shit, I need to shoot a video. So here it is. We had to play with all them boxes this morning, move some wires around, but I'll shoot a couple clips as we going, and we'll keep everybody updated.
Things bolted down inside over here too.
Hold that nut. Oh, there we go. There you go. Oh, that scared the shit out of me. Got it. I think
That's it for there. You need to undo the ones down here in the bottom so that it can come on.
You got any going through, or is it just wobble it? See if we can just undo the ones in the bottom and we can take out the transfer switch. Did we wobble it and knock your
vape off.
Was it? Why y'all wobbled it down hard?
I think I did.
It was like wobble wobble and shake it, bruh.
These bolts come through from the bottom and they're fucking huge.
Size.
Fucking 3/4.
Or how heavy it's gonna be, or
Shouldn't be that bad.
go with it.
Okay, where are we going?
Underneath Alex's table. We got all the electronics pulled off, all the controls. Kevin's already got the heads pulled off. So the next thing we got to do is unbolt the power head from the prime mover, slide that back, and then we can bring the engine and get the engine rebuilt. Check all the electrical on the generator. And be ready to go.